Join our team. Tutorial for affiliated teaching staff. Would you like to join the UOC's team of affiliated teaching staff? This video will show you how to apply for a new position. Take note. Registering as a candidate. To apply for vacancies, you need to visit this web page. If you've registered already, enter your login details and click on the arrow to access your profile. If you haven't registered, you will need to do so by clicking on the corresponding link. Provide your login details, some basic personal details, and your contact details. Please note, it is very important that you give a landline or mobile phone number without country code. The number must have 9 digits with no spaces. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email from seleccio@uoc.edu with your password. This will enable you to access your candidate section. Once inside, open the Personal Details tab and in the Basics Details section, click on Edit. You will then be asked whether you are currently working. If the answer is yes, you will be asked to state your gross annual salary bracket in the drop-down menu. You also need to tell us here whether you're registered as a self-employed. Go to the Curriculum Vitae tab and add information about your academic background, including both official qualifications and other types of courses. In the same tab, go to Professional Experience, located in the menu on the right-hand side of the screen, and add your information there. If you're currently employed, tell us what your main activity is and mark the current checkbox. Next, please tell us about any relevant experience you have in the Teaching Experience section. Mark the current checkbox for any current teaching activity. Now go to Details regarding teaching and research and tell us about your most significant publications or research. In the Languages and IT Knowledge section, tell us what languages you know. This section is compulsory. And lastly, it is important that you attach an original curriculum vitae in other details. You must also attach a motivation letter related with the vacancy you want to apply for. Note, please make sure you fill in all mandatory fields, those marked with red asterisks. When you have entered all your information, you will be able to access the vacancies. In the top right corner of My CV, you'll see the Access Offers box, where you can see and apply for the various vacancies. You will find a description of the position when you access a vacancy. If you're interested in it, mark the teaching language and click on Application to enter your application. Remember that you can apply for a maximum of 3 vacancies in each call for affiliated teaching staff. We look forward to receiving your application.